and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Holistic diet for the first trimester of pregnancy. Foods to include during the first trimester of pregnancy. First, dairy products. You are required to consume extra protein and calcium during the first trimester of pregnancy to meet the requirements of the developing fetus. So, what's the best option you have? Yes, dairy products, as they include two types of high quality protein, casein and whey, and is the biggest dietary source of calcium. It also contributes high quantities of phosphorus, several B vitamins, magnesium, and zinc. Are you wondering if we could include ice cream as well? Sorry sis, but we got you the healthiest and equally tasty replacement for it. That is, yogurt. Yogurt, particularly Greek yogurt, is useful for pregnant women. It comprises more calcium than most of the other dairy products. Women with lactose intolerance may also be able to withstand yogurt, especially probiotic yogurt. Taking probiotic supplements may lower your risk of complications during pregnancy, such as preeclampsia, gestational diabetes, vaginal infections, and allergies. Second, legumes. Legumes include lentils, soybeans, beans, chickpeas, peas, and peanuts. They are excellent plant-based sources of fiber, iron, folate, B9, protein, and calcium, which are required by your body more during pregnancy. Folate is very significant for the health of the mother and fetus, particularly during the first trimester. Insufficient folate intake results in a heightened threat of neural tube deformities and poor birth weight. It may also make your child more prone to infections and disorder later on in life. Besides, legumes are normally very high in fiber. Some species are also high in magnesium, iron, and potassium. Third, sweet potatoes. You expected potatoes, and here we are with sweet potatoes. They are very rich in beta-carotene, a plant compound that gets transformed into vitamin A in your body. Vitamin A is important for development and the differentiation of most cells and tissues. It's also very important for the healthy development of the fetus. Pregnant women are advised to increase vitamin A intake but avoid very high amounts of animal-based sources of vitamin A, as they may prove to be harmful if eaten in abundance. Besides, sweet potatoes include fiber, which results in fullness, decreases blood sugar spikes, and improves digestive health and mobility. Fourth, salmon. Yes, pescatarian mommies, we have got you covered. Salmon is very rich in significant omega-3 fatty acids. Most of the pregnant women don't get enough omega-3 through their diet. These are found in high amounts in seafood and help in building the eyes and brain of the fetus. Some women avoid seafood altogether due to the mercury and other contaminants found in fatty fish, thus leading to deficiency of the same. Pregnant women can have around 2 to 3 meals of fatty fish per week and achieve the recommended intake of omega-3. Salmon is also one of the very few natural sources of vitamin D, which is very critical for many processes in your body, including bone health and immune function. Fifth, eggs. Yes, pregnant ladies have some eggs. Eggs are the most holistic healthy food. As they cover most of the nutrients, a large egg contains high quality protein and fat along with many vitamins and minerals. Eggs are a great source of choline, which is important for many processes in your body, including the development of the brain. Choline deficiency during pregnancy may increase the risk of neural tube defects and possibly impact the brain functioning of the fetus. Sixth, broccoli and leafy greens during the first trimester of pregnancy. Broccoli and dark green vegetables such as kale and spinach cover a lot of nutrients requirements of pregnant women. If it makes you feel any better, you could make some smoothies out of them. These include fiber, vitamin K, vitamin A, iron, vitamin C, folate, calcium, and potassium. They are also rich in antioxidants and useful for the immune system and digestion. The high fiber content in these may also help prevent constipation, which is a very common problem among pregnant women. Furthermore, the consumption of these is often associated with a reduced risk of low birth weight as well. Seventh, lean meat during the first trimester of pregnancy. Beef, chicken, and pork are excellent sources of high quality protein. Yes, you heard it right. Furthermore, pork and beef are also rich in choline, iron, and other B vitamins which are needed in higher amounts during pregnancy. Pregnant women need a lot of iron since their blood volume is increasing and iron delivers oxygen to all the cells. Low levels of iron during early pregnancy may lead to iron deficiency anemia, which doubles the risk of premature delivery and low birth weight. Eating red meat on a regular basis may help increase the amount of iron acquired from the diet. Eating oranges or bell peppers may also help increase the absorption of iron from food. 8th, whole grains. Whole grains are loaded with vitamins, fiber, and plant compounds. Barley, oats, millet, corn, and rice are some whole grains to be included in your first trimester diet. They are generally rich in fiber, B vitamins, and magnesium, which a pregnancy diet lacks. Lentils in the form of soup or cutlets can be included in the diet. Grains provide strength to your baby and are important for placental growth. 9th, fruits. It is recommended to have at least 3 servings of fruits per day during the first trimester of pregnancy. Citrus fruits are a great source of folic acid, so try eating oranges, grapefruits, and sweet limes on a regular basis. Avocados are high on healthy fats, folate, and potassium. Avocados, which makes it a great choice for pregnant women. Bananas, cantaloupes, pears, cherries, guavas, grapes, apples, pomegranates, watermelons, and mangoes are some other fruits to be included in your diet. Foods to avoid during the first trimester of pregnancy. There are also some foods that you must avoid during pregnancy, particularly the first trimester. They are as following: raw or undercooked eggs and shellfish, raw meat, fishes with significant mercury level like king mackerel, swordfish, and shark, unpasteurized milk, raw sprouts, soft cheeses, unwashed fruits and vegetables, papaya, black grapes, pineapple, eggplant, excess caffeine, cabbage, and lettuce, sweetened beverages and desserts in excess. The bottom line being that you are anyway going to gain weight. Why not gain it with healthy, nutritious food that helps in your baby's development? We hope we have prepared you a good diet list that kickstarts a well-nourished pregnancy.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.